Hi, a quick update from the field. Latest storm chase. It's Sunday the 26th. There's some of the stuff I just kind of look at in general, by the way. But I think I'll start by looking at the radar. Just kind of give you an idea here. So that marker there, that's KTLX, that's the Twin Lakes radar, southeast of the Oklahoma City metropolitan area. That's the radar that's going to service this chase at its beginning. That's my location right there. So I am on the toll road 412 at the rest stop, probably in a pretty good position. I wanted to point out these subtle but important features right here. You see those really thin lines? There's one that just kind of goes like right here, and there's another one right here. And I think I might have found a very subtle triple point. So if thunderstorms fire along either of those boundaries or at their intersection, I'm in a really good spot right now. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Another reason why I think that's a really good idea is if I look at the moisture convergence, and I'm sorry it's having trouble focusing on that, but that orange blob right there is exactly where I was just pointing. So if anything is going to go, I think it's going to be right in that area for sure. So if we look at some other stuff like the SPC hourlies, you know, the kind of throwaway is the significant tornado parameter, which is generally running about a 2 to a 3 in this area here that I'm in roughly. And if we look at some other stuff, we can just kind of look at, let's say, the shear vector. This is what holds supercells together. It's actually getting better because we have a disturbance coming in at 500 millibars. So see how the shear vectors are much better out over western portions of Oklahoma and Kansas. And here it's kind of at actually a minimum between 250s. But I do think as we go through the next couple of hours that 50 is going to encroach upon this entire area of central and north central Oklahoma. If you look at the instability, we certainly do seem to have a lot of that with not much cap, to be honest. If we switch here real quick, there we go. And I'll just kind of zoom around. I appreciate your patience on this because I know there's reflections, but we're looking at 5,000 to 5,500 CAPE values, and including a 4,500 that again juts right up to where I am. I can't show that on this map, but it's just off to the west of where I am. Notice that the boundary is pretty tight down there in Texas. That was a consideration too. I just didn't leave the house early enough to get what I did see to be some thunderstorms already forming down there. But that's my target area right there for sure. The speeds today are not going to be too crazy. It went to surface mixing ratio. I'm not sure how I did that. But also, if I just look at moisture convergence on this one, it does show, again, a long area of moisture convergence stretching from just south of Wichita down along the dry line. So we'll see what happens.